Hi, and welcome once again to our grade 3 reading practice. This is now our week 2, and I hope this helps to improve your reading comprehension. Let's start with our reading passage. The Red-Headed Woodpecker. Read the story below. Phyllis sat in her own room. The window was open, and into the room darted a bird. In a moment, he flew to the ledge above her door. With his strong little bill, he began to rap at the wood. You act like a woodpecker, but you do not look like one, said Phyllis. You do not know all about woodpeckers, said the bird. I belong to the family of red-headed woodpeckers. You? Cried Phyllis. But where is your red cap? I am a woodpecker. Surely, but I am quite young yet. My mother said, wait a little longer when you are quite grown up. Your cup will be as red as my own. Well, said Phyllis, I am very glad you came to see me. Do you stay here in the winter? Then Phyllis asked, oh, yes, we often stay all winter. Must you go? Asked Phyllis. Here is a strawberry for you. Thanks, said the bird, pecking away at the fruit. This is our story of the red-headed woodpecker. Now, these are the questions you're going to answer on our Google Forms. Are you ready? Question number 1. What did the bird do into the Phyllis room? Question number 2. What did Phyllis say to the bird? Question number 3. What did Woodpecker reply? And question number 4. Why did Phyllis is happy? And 5. What did Phyllis give to the woodpecker? And the last question, do you like birds? Tell the name of your favorite bird. Okay? Now I will give you time to read the story again. Very good. Now go to the Google Classroom and answer the activities. Bye.